Hey guys! Sorry, I had to go grab my Traveler's Notebook. It was on the table over there. We are going to do another page of our Traveler's Notebook. Hey, I don't know where that came from, sorry. We are going to, I hope you don't mind, JoJo, we're going to be doing your beautiful face today. And I picked this paper because it matches her lipstick. Very awesome. So, my apologies if you are mad right now, JoJo. But, you're gorgeous. And that's all I can say about that. So, I had not specifically thought about how I wanted to do this just yet. And I probably should have. The notebook is getting extremely chunky though, all because that one little flare piece in there, but what are you gonna do? Not use flare pieces, I know. Okay. I really love the way that looks, but I just am not 100% sure on that because I do have my title picked out here. Hey girl. And with that being said, let's go ahead and jot you on down here, little lady. And I picked this card that says make today lovely. But you know what? I wanted to bring in these flower pieces here. And so I would think I want her to be, yeah, there we go. There, so it kind of filled up that extra space there, and I do let's see which one we like better. Yeah, I think I like it better on that one. And my idea was to have this one catty cornered. That's not going to fit though. Just sit here and turn it for 3 days. See about that. Now let's pop her onto over here. Very nice. She's so pretty and just as crooked. Good grief, you guys. I can't even leave that down. It looks so bad. The struggle is real. And I keep moving it up just a little bit each time too. Okay, you're down. Alright, let's get Hey Girl over here. These are all citrus twists. I don't know if I said that already or not. Sorry if you saw that fly. He has been annoying me for the last 2 days. I don't even know how he got all the way back to my bedroom. I mean, you don't know, but he had to go through some obstacles to get back here. I mean, the front door is just too far away for there to be a fly in my bedroom. That's how I feel about it. I have been proven wrong, though, so. Close that back up with my little rusted pin. You know what? Let's figure out our background, because I do have all of these beautiful pieces here. And I don't want to cover them up too much. Could just put it over it, huh? Not that much. There we go. Perfect. And then I want to throw me a little yellow bell down here. No, when I come out the side. Well, I guess I better put it down because I'm going to overextend it. Ah, yep, see? Already done. Okay, we're going to chip you on down there, girl. Good enough. Oh, I like it up there. Oh! Something tickled my face. No, it was not the fly. Oh, you know what? I didn't adhere that down, did I? Oopsie. Okay. So just to give you guys a little background, this is my BFF of, 20 plus years. And, she is, if you've seen my previous videos, Giselle and Malachi's mom. And she just shines. That was perfect. When I saw it, I thought, oh, that's for JoJo's layout. It was almost that dramatic, quite honestly. I don't know. I don't know where I get that from. Mom. Okay. You know what? I think I'll pop it this way. Don't know if I'm going to be able to get you fellers in here. The blue, maybe. Like that one up there. Ah. Perfection. Oh, you know what? Let's throw a little leaf up there for you. Now we'll throw you on down here with a tad little leaf. Well, hold on, let me put it down first. Good grief, if you can hear my son sneezing, I'm so sorry. Got me a little concerned about his allergies at the moment. Need to get him an appointment and get him some medicines. Nice. Alright. I think you're gonna have to... Oh, you know what? I think I'll pop you up in the top corner there. Just have a little bit to trim off there. Cover that up there. A little extra piece was laying there. Oh, you know what? I totes forgot about these over here. I was going to use these gold, what are these called? Leaves. I just don't know. If they're going to work. Oh, I don't know why that feels weird. Oh. Nice. And then we'll put the little twiggy parts up here. Does it look weird? Yeah, probably. It's cool. Story of my life. Put us a little heart right here. There. Blend in the gold a little bit. That took a lot longer than I anticipated. I did bring in these just to sprinkle. And that's it. So I hope you guys got your crafty time in today. If not, stop what you're doing and go now. No. I kid, I kid. I mean, unless you can stop and go, then do it. No. Okay, you're stuck to my finger. Get off of my finger. Thank you kindly. Okay. Alright. Hope you guys like it. I hope you like it, JoJo, even though I know you don't care very much about scrapbooking. It's hilarious because while we've been friends for 20 plus years, we have totally different hobbies, but it's cool. I love her to pieces. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.